One of the questions asked by our customer is, do I need to perform a red light test when I receive my fiber spool? The answer is simple, no. Why? For all double-clad fiber, we conduct this test. How can you ensure it was done correctly? You have a sticker on your spool to confirm the test was made. But what is this test and why we do it? To conduct the red light test, we carefully remove the fiber coating at the start of your spool. Next, we inject a red light source into the fiber. This test is always carried out in a controlled environment in our clean room. If we observe any light spot on the fiber, it means the fiber is not suitable. A single dot means the light is not properly propagating into the fiber. When the light travels smoothly through the fiber without any spot, it confirms the light stays within the fiber. This way, we know the fiber is suitable for our customer. When you receive your fiber spool, rest assured that we have already conducted the test in the right environment. If you were to perform the test after storing the fiber spool in a dusty environment, for example, you might observe dots. These dots are not defects, but rather samples of dust that has become illuminated. Doing so, you will have a false positive to the red light test. This is why we recommend to our clients to let us do the test and, most importantly, to store the fiber spool in a suitable environment upon receipt.